Hello and welcome to another RiderCamTV video, and today look at what I've got. I've got the Nebulous scooter. Now it's got handlebars that are pink, gotta have them, and brakes and somewhere to put your massive feet, although I don't think this is big enough really. But look at this glorious weather, and all I want to do is get on my bike and ride it. Like I'm sure every biker out there wants to get out on the open road, twist the bike open a little bit further because there's no traffic. But in these really strange times where none of us are allowed out and we can't go and enjoy our bikes because they're not essential riding, and we've got to curtail to what the government are saying, and you know, not going out unless you're going shopping or going to work, it's really frustrating. But it's a really good time to look at your bike, make sure it's roadworthy for the end of all this period of horribleness that we've all got, so we can get back out on the bike and enjoy it. And I really want to get out on the bike, but fortunately I've got this thing, so that's great. I can scoot around where I live without going out on the road, without all those issues. But we kind of wanted to just say videos are going to be a bit sporadic until all of this coronavirus stuff has ended, because as you can imagine, most of the places that ask us to review bikes, we've got to go there and get the bikes and review them, and that's not an essential trip, so we're not able to do that at the moment. So there might be some little gold nuggets of other videos coming out soon, but Mark's obviously not here, I am on my own other than with my camera person, just to say hope you feel safe, stay at home. And if you're thinking about getting on your bike and going out on an empty road, because this is unprecedented that we would have such empty roads to enjoy your motorbikes on, perhaps feel the need not to. If you're on an open road and there's no one there, opening the throttle is such a temptation, and enjoying the bike for what it can do. But just think about what could happen. If you're out riding, yes, you could have an amazing time, but if you were in the horrible event that you would have an accident, all those emergency services would have to come and help you at the time that they're trying to help other people. And then if you're injured and you have to go to hospital, that's the worst place to be. Best place for care, but worst place to be considering you might catch whatever it is that's going around, this coronavirus, COVID19, whatever you want to call it. So stay at home, stay safe, look after yourselves, and a massive thank you from RiderCamTV, both Mark and myself, to all the emergency services that are working really hard to keep us all safe, and the NHS. We've been out clapping all of those wonderful boys and girls out there working in the NHS to make sure that we're looked after and we're well. So stay at home, stay safe, and hopefully it won't be too long until you see us again. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, have a look at our social media. We'll try and get some posts and stuff out on social media to keep you all entertained until we get back full time. So we'll see you soon. So I'm going to go and enjoy my little scooter without going on the road, trying to stay in breath, because I tell you what, how can kids ride this all day long? They've got to have so much energy. I'm so unfit. Bye! I don't like this bike. I hate it.